Today I'm going to show you how to update the metadata on your Kartra pages, and we'll start by saying exactly what that is. So this is one of my pages, and if you hover up here you can see that name does not match what this page is about. So this has old metadata in it, and you'll see that also if you try to share this on social. So I'm going to copy this URL and put it on Facebook. Yes, I am. Come on. What automatically pops up here? No image and the wrong name. So we can fix these things. Okay. So let me go back to Kartra backend. Here we are on the page. We want to go over to settings and SEO parameters. And this is where that title comes from when you hover up here. So this is what is going to show up if somebody is doing a Google search, and this is what it returns. So it will have the name of the page, and then it will have a little description of it. Be longer than that, but I'm just throwing something in there. If you want to put some keywords, this can help with search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is a big, hairy topic, and it takes a lot and it takes time to work, but it's definitely worth putting a few keywords in and having them sprinkled throughout your page just as a basic SEO foundation. I haven't done any keyword research for this, so again, I'm just going to throw some things in here. I'm going to go ahead and put my name. I usually repeat this up here. I'm not 100% sure what OG means in this case. So I'm just going to repeat that. Here's where the page image comes in. So I haven't really created an image for this page either. So this one is not really a good size, but I'll put it in anyway. Sometimes you may want to hide the page from search engines. This would be for like your delivery pages, your thank you pages that people are not supposed to get to until they have opted in or done some other action. So you would not want those to show up in a search. So that's what that is for. So I'm going to hit apply to that, republish it, and let's see what happens now. Okay, now when I hover, it says book sales after you launch, which is what I just put in. So let's try again, posting on Facebook. Close out that one. I need to redo it. Oh, I can get it to redo. Here comes the preview. No! Why is it not updating this way? Okay, probably have to clear the cache. I had to switch what account I was using to get it to update, but now this is what it looks like. Here's the launch image. Here is the metadata that we just added. Here's the little description. So this is going to be a much better preview. So now I can write a caption up above here, encouraging people to click on it, and they'll see this preview, and it looks much nicer. So that is how you update your metadata in Kartra.